Working on a fixed price project and need to request a payment? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple process of billing your client using Upwork's milestone system. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. For fixed price contracts, you don't get paid automatically. You request payment for completed phases of work, called milestones. First, ensure you and your client have set up a fixed price contract with defined milestones and their amounts. To request payment, go to the contract and click Submit Work or Request Payment. Choose the Request Payment option. Select the specific milestone you've completed, enter the amount, which should match the agreed milestone value, and add a polite message summarizing the delivered work. The client then has 14 days to approve the milestone and release the payment. Once approved, the funds are moved to your pending balance, where they will be subject to the standard 5-day security period. A crucial pro tip: always submit a milestone before you actually deliver the final work. This protects you. The client pays for the completed phase, then you send the final files. This ensures you never work for free. And just like that, you've secured payment for your delivered work. Billing through milestones provides structure and security for both you and your client. Do you prefer hourly, with time tracking, or fixed price contracts? Why? Share your preference below. To track your finances, subscribe for our next video on how to view your Upwork transaction history. Thanks for watching.